Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will explain the voltage divider module 025V its pins, internal working, and how to connect it with Arduino or ESP32. Input side, screw terminal. First, let's understand the input side of the module. There are two screw terminals here. Number 1, V-in plus. This is where we connect the positive terminal of the DC voltage we want to measure. For example, battery positive or adapter positive from 0 to 25 volts DC. Number 2, GND. This is where we connect the negative terminal or ground of the measured voltage. So, the left side of the module is only for the voltage that we want to measure. Internal working. Now let's see the internal working of this module. Inside this module, there are two resistors. R1 is 30 kilo ohm. R2 is 7.5 kilo ohm. These two resistors form a voltage divider circuit. Because of this, 25 volts input becomes 5 volts output. 20 volts input becomes 4 volts output. 10 volts input becomes 2 volts output. So, this module reduces high voltage into a low voltage. This makes the voltage safe for Arduino or ESP32 analog input. Output side, 3-pin header. Now let's look at the output side of the module. There are 3 pins here. Pin number 3, S or signal or out. This pin gives the scale down voltage from 0 to 5 volts. We connect this pin to the Arduino analog pin A0. Pin number 4, VCC plus. This pin is connected to Arduino number 5 volts or 3.3 volts. Some modules do not need this pin, but many boards include it. Pin number 5, GND. This pin is connected to Arduino GND. Important point: Arduino ground and the measured voltage ground must be common ground. Now let's summarize all connections. Win plus, battery positive or DC supply positive. GND, battery negative. S, out, Arduino A0. VCC plus, Arduino 5V. GND, Arduino GND. Safety points. Very important safety points. This module is only for DC voltage from 0 to 25 volts. Do not connect it to 230 volt AC mains. This module has no electrical isolation, so it is directly connected to your circuit. Simple concept. In simple words, this module converts high DC voltage from 0 to 25 volts into low voltage from 0 to 5 volts, so that Arduino can safely measure it using an analog pin. So this was the complete explanation of the voltage divider module. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment if you want Arduino code or practical demo. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.